Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, has relaunched its Buy Jamaican campaign in a bid to strengthen the manufacturing sector. The industry now accounts for about 9% of gross domestic product and employs roughly 85,500 people, down sharply from the 1970s and 80s when it contributed more than 20% to gross domestic product and supported about 165,000 jobs. The campaign launched last Friday by JMEA Vice President Cecil Foster will highlight manufacturing's role in economic growth, job creation, and long-term resilience. Several noted companies trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange reported a mixed bag of financial results. First, the directors of Image Plus Consultants, which trades as Apex Radiology, are reporting a 62% tumble in its profits to $16.2 million on revenues of $277.2 million during the quarter, which ended on November 30. Next, Paramount Trading Company is reporting a sharp improvement in earnings for the second quarter of its 2025 to 2026 financial year. The company posted net profit of $41.9 million on revenue of $385.7 million and other operating income of $36.8 million. From there, AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited is reporting net profit of $16.6 million for the 3 months ending November 30, 2025. The company recorded revenues of $223.7 million, gross profit of $78 million, and operating profit of $18.9 million. That said, R.A. Williams is reporting a 32% jump in revenues for the second quarter of the 2025-2026 financial year, climbing to $484.9 million. Despite the revenue growth, R.A. Williams recorded an operating loss of $7.4 million. This compares with an operating profit of just over $5 million a year ago. The management says the loss reflects higher investment in infrastructure, brand visibility, and sales support as part of a strategy to strengthen long-term capacity. For the trading period of February 9, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 6,137,092 units, representing 26.36% of market sales activities. QWI Investments Limited with 2,285,800 units, representing 9.82% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,129,062 units, representing 9.14% of market sales activity. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, investment management, and advertising plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for February 9, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. U.S. dollar trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the U.S. selling at $156.95 and buying at $155.30. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 94-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.36 and was bought for $114.42. The British pound had continued volatility, offering short-term trading opportunities of $7.44 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $215.01 and was bought for $207.57. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, many professionals struggle with credit because they expect ideas and expertise to unlock funding, while banks fund predictability, not potential. Credit functions as a financial sum that signals reliability and obligation, not creativity or character. When this is misunderstood, professionals disengage instead of positioning themselves strategically. The solution is to treat credit as infrastructure, actively manage it, translate vision into risk-ready structures, and present clear signals of control and consistency so capital can move forward without hesitation. In our funded and focused feature, being successful at government contracting means your business has to step up and operate at a higher level. Why? Because government contracts are based and assessed on who will deliver the work. This assessment determines if a business has done the work to identify key roles, define responsibilities, and ensure staffing capability aligns with contract requirements, even when using subcontractors. As an example, our client Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, hesitated to ask for references, but professional coaching helped him to collect strong endorsements that boosted confidence and allowed him to get the government contract. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.